Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is 2015 Nissan Altima, Maxima, Infinity. This is another car. The transmission was being rebuilt, and you see the check engine light is there. Most of the time could be the Judder code, and the CD. When you have a brand new valve body or brand new computer, it's come with a CD, and this is a file. If you scan this barcode, it will give you a file, and then you have to write this file here. I already have it here, so I'm gonna go to console 3 as before, and now I will go to diagnose. From diagnose, I will go to the engine. I want to be sure that if I have any code related to the engine before I go to transmission. We're gonna wait a little bit. The shifter, as soon as you try to program it, you're gonna lose this number and it's gonna come back again. The shifter here, you see now we have the 17F. This never go away. You cannot clear it no matter what. You can clear the first one, but you cannot clear this one. Let me show you. Ignition is on. If you try to clear it, you will be able to clear the first one, which is P0776, but this one you never be able to clear it. And the light can go away. The check engine light can go away. You cannot see the check engine light. But this code is not erasable. It will not come back. You can stay there. Maybe the check engine light is for the first one, but the car also will not work good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to work support, and you go to IP characteristic right. Then you go next. You say okay. Then you're gonna go look for the file. The file, I have them here, the same file. So I'm gonna open. I choose one. I open it. Now you're gonna go to next. Now you have to change. Push the brake. Turn the key off. Ignition on. Then push the brake and push the gas. Both of them have to be pushed all the way down, and this one has to be in reverse. Now you're gonna write it. You see right now, right? Now I'm gonna go back, remove your feet, then turn the key off for 2 seconds at least, or the countdown is here. Then you turn the key on, then you go to the next. Now ignition on, engine off, car is in park. You see the number P is not there, it disappears. So there is no configuration now. Now you delete everything. Now you're gonna write it. Right, complete. You see the P come back. And you can go back to end here. Then go back to diagnose. Sometimes change to yellow. You see, yellow that means it's become past that code. Write it down. Close it. Finish.
Done.
That's it.
Case close.
Yeah, case close. Sometimes you have to clear the strategic. Sometimes you have to do this, but it's okay now. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Assalamu alaikum.